Okay, for top coin boat, let's unlock the daily bounty here or click study. Okay, the combo today is private key, radium, and cold wallet. Radium, private key. Nothing here. Under platform, click platform. This one, radium dex. Okay, bye. Private key, cold wallet. Under terms and jargon. This one, too expensive already, 145. And the last one is the cold wallet. So this is the cold wallet, guys. Click, and we got the 200k combo. This one, 320k. Sorry. Okay.